Welcome to Redland City Marina, where boating's made easy. Whether you're hauling out for a quick job or gearing up for your next trip up north, we've got the space, the gear and crew to get you sorted. From big lifts to quick fixes, we handle it all. Our purpose-built rack and stack system and expert marina team make moving and storing your boat a breeze, no matter the size. What sets us apart? Our crew. We're hands-on, switched on, and take real pride in our work. If it floats, it's been in the care of our team. Need some boat gear or advice? Swing by our marine supply store. We're stocked with essentials, spares, and friendly faces who know what they're talking about. Right here in the heart of the Redlands. Local, reliable, and ready to help. Redland City Marina has your back because here you're not just a number, you're part of a community.